Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to start a new chapter, Simple Machines. In this chapter, you will learn about levers. We know that early men used bows, stones and wooden sticks as tools. He learned to make better tools with the help of various substances which made life more convenient for him. Always you use knife, scissors and screwdriver in your house. If someone says that all these things are machines, will you believe it? Perhaps you will not. But this is true. They are also machines. What is a machine? A machine is a device that makes work simpler, easier and faster. Machines reduce time, effort and energy to do work. Simple machines are those that have a simple structure and work on a simple and basic principle. Screwdriver, crow hammer, bottle opener, wheelbarrow, plier, knife, wrench, etc. are simple machines. Simple machines have a few parts only and are easy to use. The basic type of simple machines are lever, inclined plane, screw, pulley, wheel and axle. Complex machines have many parts and they are made up of a number of simple machines. For example, washing machine, sewing machine, computer, typewriter, bicycle, etc. are complex machines. They are made up of many simple machines. They are also called compound machines. Let us learn more about simple machines. Levers. Suppose your mother asks you to open the lid of a tin which is tightly closed. Is it easy to open with your hand? No, it is not. It will be better to use a metal spoon or a screwdriver to open the lid of a tin because it will make it easier to open the lid here. Spoon or screwdriver used as lever. A lever is a bar which moves freely about a fixed point. This fixed point is known as fulcrum. We represent this by F. We use the long metal rod and stone for lifting a heavy load. The force that we applied on lever at a fixed point is known as effort. It is represented by E. The weight that we move is known as load. The load is represented by L. Different classes of lever. Based on the position of fulcrum, load and effort, levers are classified into three types: first class lever, second class lever, third class lever. First class lever, EFL, lever in which the fulcrum is located between the load and the effort are called first class lever. Examples of first class levers are screwdriver, crowbars, pliers, seesaw and scissors. Second class lever, ELF, levers in which the load is located between the fulcrum and the effort are called second class levers. Examples of second class levers are wheelbarrow, bottle opener, nutcracker, etc. Third class lever, FEL, levers in which the effort is located between the fulcrum and the load are called third class levers. Examples of third class levers are stapler, fishing rod, tongs, tweezers, etc. Children, I hope through this module you have got enough knowledge about levers. Now your practice time. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Levers in which the fulcrum is located between the load and the effort is called. Question number 2. Levers in which the effort is located between the fulcrum and the load is called dash. Question number 3. Levers in which the load is located between the fulcrum and the effort is called dash. Question number 4. The force that we applied on lever at a fixed point is known as dash. Question number 5. Dash is a bar which moves freely about a fixed point. Children, this is all for today. We will meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.